x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 7. Find the values of first bit x plus 1 by x, second bit x minus 1 by x, third bit 2x square minus 2 by x square. Solution given. What is given? X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 7. Adding 2 on both sides. Why we should add 2 on both sides? We have to see the nearest square. 9 is nearest to 7. So I am adding on both sides. So 3 square is 9. So nearest square we have to see. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2. This plus 2 we are adding. And why we are adding means this left hand side is having a formula. It is in the formula of x plus 1 by x whole square. What is the formula for x plus 1 by x whole square? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2. 2ab should be there. X into 1 by x. X cancelled. You have to read these formulas. That's why formulas are very important. Now square I am bringing from left side to right side. From left hand side. Square goes square root. So x plus 1 by x is equal to square root of 9. What is the square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. Why plus or minus? If you multiply, plus into plus also 9 will come. Minus 3 into minus 3 also plus 9 only will come. Because minus into minus plus. So therefore the value of x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus 3. Second bit. They told to find x minus 1 by x. We know the formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Now we are writing in x formula. X plus 1 by x whole square plus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 2 into x square plus 1 by x square. Now we got the value of x plus 1 by x as plus or minus 3 whole square plus we don't know this value, we have to find x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 2 into 7. From where we got the 7? Given in the problem, x square plus 1 by x is equal to 7. So replace or substitute the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Keep brackets because bracket indicates multiplication. Minus into minus plus, plus into plus also plus only. So 3 3 is 9 plus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 2 7s are 14. Plus 9 goes from left to right. So x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 14 minus 9. So x minus 1 by x is equal to, how much is 14 minus 9? 5. Square goes square root. So plus or minus square root. In the same problem, third bit. 2x square minus 2 by x square. In first term 2 is there, in second term also 2 is there. Both are in numerator, the 2. So 2 we are taking common. 2 we are taking common. Remaining is x square minus 1 by x square. It is in the formula of a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? That is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now I am writing 2 into x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. Now we got the values of x plus 1 by x as plus or minus 3 into x minus 1 by x as plus or minus root 5. So plus or minus 2 into 3 into root 5. This is rational number, irrational number, not a perfect square. Multiply rational into rational. 2 3s are 6 and irrational you have to write like that. So plus or minus root 6. Okay. Plus or minus 6 root 5. 25th problem. If x square plus 1 by 25x square is equal to 9 2 by 5 mixed fraction. Find the value of x minus 1 by 5x. Solution given. X square plus 1 by 25x square is equal to 9 2 by 5. Subtracting 2 by 5, you have to subtract. subtracting 2 by 5 on both sides, minus 2 by 5, and left side you are doing automatic, right side also minus 2 by 5. Why we are subtracting 2 by 5 means this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a minus b whole square. X in the numerator, x in the denominator get cancelled, minus 2 by 5 is left. So that's why we are subtracting to get the formula in the shape of x minus 1 by 5x whole square formula. So we have to see for that one. So subtracting minus 2 by 5 on both sides. Both sides we have to subtract. 9 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is 9. You may got doubt. Sir, please once again explain. Small example I am giving. In weekly test you got 9.5 marks. And you are talking, I got angry and subtracted half mark. So out of 10 you got 9.5. I subtracted half. So how many marks you will be getting out of 10? 9 marks. In the same way, 9 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So plus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 get cancels and 9. Now x minus 1 by x whole square is there. Square goes that side, square root. What is the square root of 9? Plus or minus 3. Therefore, the value of x minus 1 by 5x is equal to plus or minus 3. They told to find the value of x minus 1 by 5x, we got. 26th problem. If a square minus 4a minus 1 is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0, find the values of first bit a minus 1 by a, second bit a plus 1 by a, third bit a square minus 1 by a square, fourth bit a square plus 1 by a square. Solution given: a square minus 4a minus 1 is equal to 0. A square minus 1 you keep in the left. Take minus 4a from left side to right side. Minus becomes plus. What is the meaning of 4a? 4 into a. Multiplication again comes to left side, division. So a square minus 1 by a is equal to 4. Now separate the terms, first term and second term, because it is LCM. We can distribute for the both terms, first term and term. So a square by a comes in the denominator, minus 1 by a. If you take LCM again, a will be the LCM and a square minus 1 will come. So you are separating the terms. This denominator a goes in numerator, 2 a's are there. A square means a into a. 1 a is cancelled. So 1 more a is left. Here no simplification, so write 1 by a. So that is equal to 4. Therefore we got the value of a minus 1 by a is equal to 4. First bit we proved. We got the answer. They told to find the answer. We got the answer. Second bit. They are asking to find. Now we are having the formula a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 4 formula. We don't have the value of a plus 1 by a, so we did not substitute anything. We wrote as it is a plus 1 by a whole square minus, just now we got a minus 1 by a as 4. So substitute. So 4 square is equal to 4. A plus 1 by a whole square minus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 4. Minus 16 goes that side, plus 16. So a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 20. 4 plus 16, 20. Square goes from left to right. So square root. A plus 1 by a is equal to, what are the factors of 20 means 4 5s are 20. Why a root means 4 is having a perfect square. What is the square root of 4 means 2. For 5 there is no perfect square. So it is irrational number. So a plus 1 by a value is plus or minus 2 root 5. Now third bit. They are asking to find a square minus 1 by a square. It is in the formula of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. Just now we got the values of these two. So plus or minus 2 root 5 into 4. 4 2s are 8. So plus or minus 8 root 5. Fourth bit. A square plus 1 by a square, that equal to 5. We know the formula. A plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. Now we got the values of a plus 1 by a as plus or minus 2 root 5 whole square plus 4 square is equal to 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. Now separate clearly. Plus or minus 2 whole square into root 5 whole square plus 16 is equal to 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. Coming to here, root a into root a is a, or another form is we can write square root as half, a to the power of half whole square. So numerator 2 and denominator 2 get cancelled and we will get a as answer. In the same way, plus into plus plus, minus into minus also plus, 2 2s are 4. So now just explain root 5 into root 5. What is the meaning of root 5 whole square? Root 5 into root 5. 5. Or otherwise, another form is half. 2 to get cancelled. Keep in one bracket. This is all first term. Plus 16 is equal to 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. 4 5s are 20 plus 16 is equal to 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. 20 plus 16 how much? 36. 36 is equal to 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. Now multiplication, 2 into, multiplication comes from right to left, division. 2 goes in 36, 18 times. Therefore the value of a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 18.